Hey guys, Gabe here, and today we're doing another video. It's about my birthday. Yeah, just leave the comments down there. Say 14. I'm not 14, but say it anyway, just cause. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you some of my favorite bops. I'm not gonna I'm gonna try and show you what it is without showing. It's Pop Games, and they're little action figures. Yeah. So they're from my favorite game. So I'm gonna unbox them for you. I'm gonna unbox them, put them back in the box, that kind of thing. Because stay fresh. If you're a nerd. Okay. I'm gonna have to hold the camera. Wait, I might not have to hold the camera. Okay, never mind. I am getting distracted by the TV, so let's get going. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Alright. So, first thing we're going to be unboxing. You ready? This was actually the one where I went like this with. It is the Widowmaker. Yeah. So, one-armed boss. Open this with on one arm. Oh, never mind. I misincorrected. I can't get it out of the box. Oh, okay. There aren't. Man, she's pretty good detailed. Look at the gun. Look at that tip. Yeah. Yep, look, there's her face, there's her side, there's her back, which no one ever gets as good as a ponytail as her. She's the best. But I'm getting an even better one, which I'm going to do a part 3 on. Because I already got some of these. They're at my other house, though. Right now I'm at my grandparents' house. Okay. Here, I'm going to get back to you guys when I put this back in the box, because, I already showed you guys everything. Oh, by the way, look at her little thing. Yep. Okay. Those little red things, since her name is Widowmaker, she has to be like a spider, and she's a sniper in the game, so, I'll, see you guys when I, put this back in the box. Right? 3, 2, 1! Okay. Alright, so she's back in the box. Okay, she's a she. Oh my gosh, I just now realized that every single thing I have right now, on this table, is a she. All 3 of my birthday presents. Well, 2, because I already showed you guys 1. There's going to be 3 in the next one, and there's only going to be 1 in part 3, because part 3 is just going to be so great. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do a character I'm good with in the actual game last. But this is the coolest, well, not coolest, this is the best detailed figure. I'll get back to you guys when I have it right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that was a very silent one. Let me redo that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, alright, we're back. Okay, so we have Symmetra. Yeah, she's pretty detailed. Look at her horn thing. Look at her glasses. And look at her hair. And look at her little hands. She has something in her hands. To create... Oh, yeah, okay. To create this little turret. This came with her thing. Because Symmetra has lasers that go like this. That, hang from the ceiling like that. Yeah. So I'll get back to you guys when I have in the box ready. 3, 2, 1! Okay, alright. Back in the box. Brand good as brand new. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, alright, here's the last one, and I'm good with this girl, or not girl, yeah, girl, Tracer. Oh, by the way, oh yeah, I didn't mention the last girl. Symmetra. First one was Widowmaker. This one is Tracer, and in the game I'm actually good with her, so let's get her out of the box, right? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Alright, here we are, guys. It's Tracer, yeah. She doesn't have her guns on her right now. She has her pulse and their plasma grenade, or I cannot think of what it's called, but yeah, look. She has a little thing in the middle. She's pretty detailed, you know? Oh, she even has her earrings. And her hairstyle is exactly the same. Like, okay. Alright, guys, I'm gonna make a vlog out of this. Because, I've just unboxed all my presents. So I'm gonna make a vlog out of this and, like, go into the vlog. But let's put this away first, right? 3, 2, 1. Okay. We got her in the box. Alright, let's set these back up the way I had them before. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, guys. I just got outside, which means I can shout! Okay. Alright, for some reason the video paused itself and I made really good content. Like, it kept, like, the first half, 6 minutes of the video, but it didn't. So, and then it paused and, like, I don't know what happened. But now we're at 7 minutes because I just unpaused the video. So, yeah, guys, look at my swimming pool. Perfect good shape. If you want to come to my house, I'll go ahead and let you try it for free. If you come to my house, I will find you and I will kill you. I'm just kidding. That's a knee slapper. That wasn't loud enough. That wasn't a loud enough knee slapper. Oh God, I'm gonna fall in the pool. Okay, but yeah, in like the footage that was paused, like I found this big lunk of wood that used to go to that, and I have no idea what happened. It looked like someone or something hacked it off, which I'm kind of scared of now. I'm just kidding. I'm not scared of anything. Oh my God! I almost fell in the pool. You know what? I swear, I walked around that rim in the other part of the video and I almost did fall in. Number 2. Let's see how many times I can fall in. I'm just kidding, that was fake. To be completely honest, I am not sure if there's any bugs living in this pool by now because it's all green. Like you can see down here, but past, oh my gosh, are those eggs? Wait, I'm trying to like throw mini rocks. You know what? To be honest, I don't even want to know. So I went outside so I can talk. I need to go to the bathroom. Alright, let's go in the house and ready? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom right now. So I'll get you when I'm out. Okay. So I just got back from doing my business. I'm just kidding. Well, yeah, I'm not just kidding. I literally just did. Oh, yeah. Here's the tower of all my presents. You ready? Widowmaker, Symmetra, and Tracer. Yeah. So, yeah. I'm literally watching Dude Perfect on my TV. They're running through banners. Okay. I also have a balloon here with a smiley face on it. Let me just kick it real quick. Hi-ya! Ha-ja! Okay. Alright, guys. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna eat something. Hey, Grandma, I have a question. What's 9 plus 10?
Huh?
What's 9 plus 10?
9 plus 10?
Yeah, there's 2 answers.
19?
Nope, it's either 21 or 11! Score! Ooh. To be honest, that smells very good, but I'll eat it later. Oh, I'm just making myself some food. Same old, same old.
Well, what do you want now? But you were full. Now you're...
Can you make my panda for me?
Is this yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
And that's your soda pop?
No, it's tea, but it's mine.
Oh, it's tea. Okay.
I really wish we had Chipotle right about now.
Oh, you like Chipotle?
I love Chipotle. Honey, that vegetable is all mine. Tell you that much. That veggie bowl is my fave. You guys should clean off the pool table so I can beat a lot of people's butts again at this game.
Yeah. Okay.
Whew. Rough day, huh, Grandma?
Okay.
Alright, well... I want to do something. I'm going to go in the garage and find something to play with. Oh, just in the garage. It smells so bad down here, or in here. Hey, look, I used to have a lizard that lived in here. And then my aunt let it free out in the wilderness, which I was very mad at her about. And then, well, I had a fish, like 2 fish, or 3 fish, and a frog. And the frog ate the fish. That frog died soon after. You know, a lot of animals I've had have had a very sad life. Oh, this isn't my refrigerator or grandma's. It's my aunts and uncles. But they store a lot of goodies in here. And I like to see what's in here. Well, actually, it is kind of my grandma's. Hey, my Baskin Robbins is in here. It's like a few months old. Oh, let's eat it! Nah, it's okay. I'm gonna get more problems than I already have. Okay. Guys, I just found a yoga ball. Oh, it's so deflated. I'm so sorry, guys. That must have been so loud for you guys. It was loud for me, and I'm not even in the video. You know what? We don't have time for this. Just put it back. I'm so tired, guys. Well, actually, I'm going to close off the video right here. Sellout moment. If you like my videos and content, subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like on a video, and leave a comment down below. Thank you. Goodbye.